Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bubble Pop Vandal. To acquire this vibrant weapon skin, your primary method will be through the in-game store. The store refreshes daily with new offerings, so consistent checking is essential. This popular Vandal skin is part of a larger collection, known for its distinctive, playful aesthetic. The Bubble Pop Vandal can appear in your personal daily store rotation. This means you'll need to check your in-game shop regularly, as the selection changes every 24 hours. When it does appear, be prepared to spend 1,775 Valorant points to add this eye-catching skin to your collection. Another potential opportunity to acquire the Bubble Pop Vandal is through the night market. This special in-game event occurs several times annually, offering a selection of discounted skins. While the specific items are randomized for each player, it's worth checking during these events for a chance at a reduced price. Originally, the Bubble Pop Vandal was released as part of the Bubble Pop Collection Bundle. While bundles are typically limited-time offers, individual skins from them can still appear in your daily store. Acquiring this specific Vandal skin often requires patience and consistent checking, as its availability is entirely dependent on the game's rotation system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.